Think you've got your UX skills down? Then let me ask you one thing. Have you ever accidentally designed something that nobody can use? Well, today we're diving into UX mistakes that almost every designers make. So why not stick around? Avoiding these will make a massive difference in your next project. Alright, first up we have designing for yourself and not the users. It really is easy to get attached to an idea or a certain aesthetic. But remember, UX design isn't about what we like. It's about what works best for the user and what works best for the business. I talk about accessibility a lot because it's super important. Ignoring accessibility isn't just a mistake. It can also make your products unusable and you're alienating a really big demographic of users. Remember, accessibility is not an add-on, it's a must. And it should be baked into every step of your design process and even the development process. The next mistake I see is overcomplexing your designs. Believe it or not, users want simplicity. Just think of anything that you use when things frustrate you. You want to make sure that your designs are easy and simple to use and really intuitive to the user. If something takes too long to navigate, then the likelihood is that user's gonna bounce. Simple layouts, colors, buttons. Keeping essential tasks front and center is absolutely key. Documentation may not be the flashiest part of the design process. Further changes in the future, chaotic. Plus, you will lose track on the why behind you made certain decisions. And my final one, aesthetics over usability. This is a big one and I see it very often, especially when I'm looking at design portfolios or just looking around to see what's around within the design community. I get it, we all love gorgeous interfaces. But if designs are beautiful and not usable, then nobody's going to use it. So when it comes to aesthetics, stick to things that are commonly known, color theory, and good layout and typography, and that is what will get your users ticking over what glassfiamosism, whatever thing is, gradient is out there at the moment. Don't do it, just stick to simple things. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful or useful, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, maybe drop a like, drop a comment. Anything is super appreciated on this channel. So if you want to start off some conversations and let me know some of you bugbearers, then let me know in those comments. While you're here, I also offer one-on-one mentoring sessions over on my super peer, and I also have a newsletter called Handover where I send out UX related content every single month, so if something you're interested in, again, there's a link in the description below. And that's it for this video. Until next time, bye!